Okay. My next pattern's gonna be, let's see here, Simplicity D0629, and that goes all the way up to size 28W, and that's the size we're gonna be making. And I decided that I'm gonna be making view A. That's the chambray and the white scallop lace on the arm. That would be this one out of this. It's like it's polyester, and it's also almost a crepe look. It's almost a gabardine, and it's really pretty. These flowers on the side. Now, usually I try to keep my pattern in the same color that I see the original dress in, or the outfit in. But I'm gonna veer off today. Now, this material came right side out. So I got out my pattern guide. Okay. And I'm gonna look to see how I'm gonna lay this material out. The layout of the pattern pieces is based on the width of the fabric and the yardage needed. For the size 28, we're going to need 3 yards and 7/8 inches of fabric to make the view A. And I want to thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe because I have a new one coming right up showing me constructing this garment.